Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths one night before. First, identify the most crucial topics by quickly scanning your syllabus or past assignments. Focus on areas that carry significant marks or those you find most challenging. Try to dedicate about 1 hour to each major concept, ensuring you have all your study materials ready. This initial step is vital for making the most of your limited time and setting a clear path for your study session. Next, dive into understanding the core concepts. Don't just try to memorize formulas, grasp the underlying logic behind them. For every key concept, work through 1 or 2 example problems to ensure you truly understand its application. Consider creating a small, handwritten cheat sheet with all the essential formulas and definitions. This active recall process helps embed the information more deeply, making it easier to retrieve during your exam. Now it's time for targeted practice. Instead of attempting every problem, select a few representative ones from each topic. Concentrate on understanding the step-by-step process for solving them, rather than just getting the correct answer. Revisit any problems you found difficult before. This focused effort on your weak spots can yield significant improvements. Aim for quality over quantity, ensuring each practice problem contributes to your understanding. Finally, remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every 30 to 45 minutes to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Crucially, aim for at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep before your exam. A well-rested mind performs much better than an exhausted one. Approach the exam with a calm and confident mindset, trusting in the focused preparation you've accomplished. You've done your best with the time available, and that's what truly matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.